Hello students, in previous session we learned about the fourth topic, that is the happy tree. At the same time we completed the question answers also. Which student didn't send me the homework? They should be sent as early as possible because it is compulsory for everyone. Okay, now let's turn towards the new topic, that is we are different. What is the name of new topic? We are different. Students, open your textbook on page number 39. Okay, and listen carefully the topic when I am reading, because after reading or listening the topic you have to find the match the followings. Okay, here are some names of animals and here are the animals. Okay, you have to match properly, so you have to listen and read the lesson carefully. Lesson 5th, we are different. Jimbo, the giraffe, and Kitty, the squirrel, are great friends. They spend their time playing together. Kitty climbs on to Jimbo's head. He then lies back and slides down, screaming, "Wee!" He loves this ride. Students, turn the page. One day, as Kitty is sliding down Jimbo's back, he hears someone laughing. He looks up. It is a squirrel he has never seen before. After his ride, Kitty goes up the tree in search of the squirrel. He sees him sitting on a high branch looking down at Kitty. "Who are you?" Kitty asked the squirrel. "I am Mickey. I am new to this jungle," answers the squirrel. "Why are you laughing?" asked Kitty again. "I see that you are playing with a giraffe. I find it very funny," says Mickey. "Jimbo is my childhood friend," says Kitty with a smile. "How can you be a friend with him?" asked Mickey. "Why, what's wrong?" Kitty asked in surprise. "He is not one of us. He is not a squirrel," Mickey says. Kitty sits thinking for some time. After a few days, Jimbo notices that Kitty is not talking to him. Whenever he calls him for a ride, Kitty comes up with some excuse or the other. One day, Jimbo goes to Kitty. "Tell me, Kitty, why don't you talk to me?" Mickey says that we cannot be friends because we are different. "You are not one of us," says Kitty. Jimbo thinks for some time and says, "Okay, come with me for a ride. I will show you something." Students, see the next page. Kitty thinks for a few seconds and then hops on Jimbo's back. Jimbo goes to the lake in the middle of the jungle. "Look, Kitty, can you see Gappu the monkey?" "Yes, he is sitting on Zumba the elephant." "Correct. Every time he needs a shower, he climbs on the Zumba's back." Zumba the Gappu play together even though they are different. After some time, they reach a spot where there is a plant with beautiful flowers. On one of the flowers is settled a lovely butterfly. Watch the butterfly. His name is Rangila. Kitty looks at Rangila. His wings are bright. He looks as if a slice of rainbow has come down to the earth. Rangila comes often and drink the nectar from these flowers. They enjoy each other's company though they are different. Kitty nods his head. I'm sorry, Jimbo. I realize that though we are not like each other, we like each other. That is why we are the best of friends. Kitty climbs on Jimbo's head and slides down his neck. Very soon, the sound "wee" echoes in the jungle far and wide. Turn the page. Okay, that's enough. Students, what you understood from this lesson while reading? See, Jimbo. Jimbo. Who is Jimbo? Jimbo is the name of giraffe. Okay. Kitty. Kitty is name of squirrel. Okay. Mickey. Mickey is the name also another squirrel. Okay. Gappu. Who is Gappu? Gappu is the name of monkey. Okay. Zumba. Zumba is the name of elephant. And Rangila. Rangila is the name of butterfly. You have to match the following in your notebook. In next session, I will explain you this lesson. Till you have to read this lesson carefully 2 times and write this, match the following in your notebook. Okay, thank you.